Hello guys, welcome back to a quick update on Dymension. There is a lot of things happening here, maybe not a lot, but some things are happening, and I hope you are staking as I mentioned in my first video, which I'm gonna put somewhere here in the corner, or you can find my channel. It's not that difficult, just buy some Dymension on exchange or whatever. In the other video I just showed you how to do it. Stake it a little bit here. We staked it in PRYZM, and PRYZM now is dropping. It's registering, asking to register the address with them because they are like multi-chain. So depending where you were staking, what you were staking, they're asking to register wallet, and that's the first thing. And Dymension in general is a coin that is going to bring a lot of airdrops. This is one of the best coins to stake at the moment. Also maybe Celestia, maybe Atom, maybe something like that, but Dymension is probably the first one. And here we have a tweet which is basically explaining what's gonna happen, what airdrops are coming. Unfortunately, some of them are already gone. Then, you know, some of them to be announced, snapshots, criteria, a couple of them, and there are probably gonna be more. So as you can see, there's a lot of them. PRYZM, which is a different PRYZM than this one, and just keep on staking. My goal is to grow it more. I just staked 11. I would like to get to like 100 maybe gradually. The price is steady, let's say, at around $4 or less than $4 per one Dymension, and it's a very good project, very good platform, hopefully long term to build on it. So check it out, check out the first video. Now the PRYZM airdrop, that is some people were struggling to get through the steps. I was struggling a little bit until I went down here and literally made watch the videos basically, because what you're gonna do here is gonna come back to this one. You're gonna be on this airdrop site, which you can find from the this one here. I will put it down below. Then you're gonna connect your wallet and you're gonna click on Dymension, and you can use like Kepler. I was using Kepler for staking Dymension, but honestly you can do as well with MetaMask, and you can fill with Kepler. Here we've got a nice button because you have different address basically, obviously on PRYZM than you have on Dymension. So you just have to find a way to find your address basically. As you can see here, depends on which network, but we have stake on the Dymension, so there is a way to basically find it. And there's, you've got videos as well from Kepler, how to find your PRYZM address. So just if you get stuck, check them. If you were using Kepler, I think I was using Kepler in the first video. So very easy. When you do it once or when you watch the video, is like a minute, and then you find your address and you can click it here. I already had like this fill with Kepler, so all you have to do is verify it, and as you can see, it pulls up your Dymension wallet, that everything is fine and connected now. So this is it, and let's just continue farming. Very good network, very good coin. Any questions, let me know in the comments below, but it's a very simple step-by-step process, so go ahead and do it now. And remember to stake some Dymension or more Dymension to get better airdrops. So thank you guys for watching.